This conference will now be recorded.
First of all, let me open my scope application or custom hotel facility request. If I click on new button, it will be open that new form. Okay. So I have created different sections into my scope application, notes, and more information. So these field types are general input, and when you create general input field, then we have to add the formatter. Which formatter? Activity filter formatter. Activity filter formatter used to managing the all activities which are in specific record. Okay, what are the updates that happened in a specific record, like a specific record? There's all the updates we can see over here. So now let's talk about UI policy. Already you know, right, how to implement UI policy. When we can implement UI policy, when you want to field make mandatory or optional, read only and writable, visible, invisible. These all cases we do create UI policy. Okay, so the requirement is, so when you selected like the requirement is, so when employee department is IT, when employee department is IT, okay, so when employee department is IT, then designation, employee designation field should be hide. How to see this requirement? Right click, configure UI policy. Leave it, click on new. You are going to implement this UI policy on which table? My custom table or scope application, right? Don't set the global. So while making any changes into scope application, hotel facility request is my scope application.
Sir,
Then,
small doubt.
yeah, please.
Yeah, when we get something request like this, do we need to ask customer that are we going to update fields from third-party tools also or background script also? Because we need to decide whether we need to go for client script or business rule. So it might conflict later on, right? So how to decide whether you to go for a UI policy or business rule?
Client
Did
script and business rules. Client script and business rule topic is not completed for your batch, right? I mean,
Acha, acha, okay, okay. I mean data policy. Third party you said in ITS.
yes,
Okay,
that is
okay.
data policy. So
Yeah,
when
data policy.
customer try to update the record from any third-party application, that may be REST API or SOAP, list view, these all the scenarios, data policy will be preventing the user. But
Okay, yeah,
client
sir.
side, UI policy will be predict the user, right?
Yeah, how to make decision here? That is what my question.
We have to take decision. We are the service developers, right?
Okay, so first, do we need to ask whether are they updating from some other source
No,
or only in the form?
no, no. See, let me complete it first of all. So
Okay,
when
sir, we'll
customer try
discuss
to,
later on. Yeah, yeah,
okay, see, when customer try to create or requesting hotel facility, so they can submit it. When customer try to submit this record, it is asking to fulfill mandatory fields, right? So what might be the reason? In case, let us assume if you created a UI policy, system not allowing to submit the record without filling the mandatory fields. But anybody try to create a hotel facility request record, but not UI. So they are submitting through table or list view somewhere else or
yeah. Okay,
background
okay.
script, right? That moment
Yeah,
data policy will be preventing the user. Okay,
yeah,
let me
that.
create UI policy. You can take any example when employee department is IT. When employee department is IT, then designation field should be height. And if you are creating, like if you are going to like so while creating that anyway policy record, you have to pass the order number. I don't know. I'm not remember the next order number. You can pass anything. And condition is very important. Employee department is IT. First of all, you have to save your UI policy. Scroll down. Then you can apply the UI policy action. Employee designation is visible false. Submit. Update UI policy record once again. And back to hotel facility request. Try to create new hotel request. When you select IT department, the field is hiding, right? So this is the way we can implement UI policy and data policy on my respective table. And next one, navigate it to instant table. So client scripts and business rule, other activities we can implement according to your business requirement. Okay. Client scripts and business rules UI access are not completed yet. That's why I'm going to leave in this moment. Okay. See, instant is the one application or table. In this table, we have different modules. Create new, assign to me, open, open unassign, and resolve tickets, all tickets. These all are common modules for every application. If you navigate it to problem also, you can see over here all modules. Create new, assign to me, open, and all. And what are the modules are available in incident and problem table? Those all modules I want to create in my scope application also. How can you create modules into your scope application? Hotel facility request. First of all, let me remove this one. Deactivate, not required. Okay. So hotel facility request. When I click on hotel facility request, what happening? It is displaying all the records in a specific table. Okay. So now I want to create one new module. First module in this application, hotel facility request. It's a new booking. How can you create the module? Very simple. Navigate it to Studio. You will be able to create the module multiple ways, and Studio is the best component to create the modules. And select hotel facility request, and how to create new module into your scope application, and go to create application file, and then navigation, go to module. I'm going to creating new module into my scope application. What does I mean by application collection of modules? Very first module is called new booking. This module has to be populate under which application? That application we have to select hotel facility request. And I'm going to creating the module into this particular application. That's why I'm passing order number 100. And if you want to pass any hint and other details, you can provide it. Not required, leave it out empty. Okay. And then go to link type. And then, so how you can open that new record? When customer click on that new booking module, automatically system will be open new form. So the link type called new record. Select new record from which table, hotel facility request table. Hotel facility request table. And no need to pass any arguments and other details, then submit it. Once created any new module, so where you can check it out in legacy platform and native UI, reload the browser, hotel facility request, yes, new booking. So when customer click on new booking module, system will open the new form. Let me remove this one also. Temporarily, you can deactivate, not required this module. If you navigate it to hotel booking request, when you click on that new booking, it can open new record. Okay. And next one, incident and assign to me. Assign to me module. When customer click on assign to me module, it will be showing all the tickets which are assigned to current logged in user. Okay. So who is currently logged into my instance? System administrator, right? So when current login assigned to me means nothing but when current login user click on assigned to me, okay, and is showing all the tickets which are assigned to me and how they implemented this assigned to me module, right? It's pretty much simple. If you are unable to do it, create same module into your scope application. Just you can follow the existing functionality. So they have written a small code assigned to equal to javascript colon dot gs dot user id gs dot user id. Just you can take this code, copy it, and go to studio, create one more module, navigation module, close this one. This is the module name assigned to me, assigned to me. And this application, this model has to be populated in where? Hotel facility request. And this model has to be populated second place. That's why I'm taking order number 200 and take list of record. From list of records, I want to populate how many incidents, like how many tickets are assigned to current login user. Table is hotel facility request. Okay, and then we can pass the argument assigned to equal to javascript colon gs start user id. So gs start user id will be get current login user id and set into assigned to. What are the tickets are assigned to current login user? Thus all the tickets will be populated automatically in this view. So let me show how it's working. Hotel facility request. Assigned to me. So how many tickets are assigned to current login user? Nothing. That's why it's not showing anything, right? Let me open one hotel facility request record. This ticket I'm assigning to administrator. Then you can update. So once again, click on that assign to me. So total one ticket is assigned to current login user, right? In case if you assign one more ticket to the same person and admin, so every login user will be able to get the records dynamically when they click on assign to me module, right? And in case, so this ticket I'm assigning to fecility. Okay, and you can import it with fecility Once again. Okay, then navigate it to hotel facility request. Click on assign to me. Yes, one ticket has assigned to friend lady. The ticket is displayed to friend lady, right? Yes. The next one, navigate it to instance table, create more modules, and open tickets nothing but the tickets are created but not assigned to someone else. And now let me create one more ticket. One more module is open and unassigned. These tickets are created nothing but open but not assigned to any group or person. These tickets are not assigned to any group or person. Those tickets I want to display to customer. So when I click on that particular module, you tell me guys how to create it. You tell me how to create the module. Navigate to the same and create new module. Navigate it, modules, close previous one, open, unassign, so the application menu is hotel facility request. I'm going to creating third module. That's why providing 300 hint is not required. So when customer click on this module, open and assign, and need to be populate. So what are the tickets are not assigned to any group or person. In this case, you have to apply the condition. Link type is like all records. List of records. That table is hotel booking request, and then you can apply the condition. Assignment group is empty and assigned to also is empty, and then submit, update. Okay, once created a module, then you can navigate it to UI, get out. So without reload the browser, you could not see new module from your filter navigator. Hotel facility request. So when you click on open unassigned and displaying all the tickets which are not assigned to any group or person. In case if you assign any ticket to group or person, okay, what happened? So those tickets are removed from this pool. Okay. Okay. So total how many tickets are not assigned to person, like any group or person? Only one ticket. This ticket is not assigned to a group or person. That's why that ticket is showing in open and unassigned module. Next one is result and all. So all is the common module for every application. Okay, so this moment I'm going to creating all module. How to create all module? Same, navigate to studio. So this is the one way to create the module in ServiceNow instance. Now let me show another way to create module. How to create the one more module? Go to application menu, application menus, application menus, and open your application. It's hotel facility request. It's lookup rule table. Hotel facility request. Open your application. How can you create module directly from application menu? See, scroll down. Here we can see all the modules which are available in respective application. In case if you want to create one more module into this application, click on new, and I'm creating one more module called all. Order number 400, and list of records. I want to display list of records from which table? Hotel facility request. I don't want to apply any condition and submit. Update, then hotel facility request. When I click on all, displaying all tickets, all facility requests from this respective table. And I'm going to creating more modules. How to create more modules? Different states in my hotel facility request form, right? So booking pending, already booked, and booking closed. These three modules I want to create. Go to studio. So this is second way to create the module. And the third one, directly go to modules, system definition and modules. And here we can see all the modules. And I'm going to creating one more module and provide the all details. What is the module name? And the module need to be populated in its table. Then other details. See, already booked. It's name of module, and application menu is hotel facility request. Next order number 500 and list of records. Then from list of records, which records you want to display? From list of records I want to display, apply the condition. So where the booking state is already booked, those all the tickets we can show in this module. Already booked, submit. And similarly create more modules. Booking on hold. And order number 700. Next order number we can pass, any number we can pass, 700. Hotel facility request. Booking state is on hold. See, when we click on that already booked module, showing all the tickets which are in respective state. When you book it on hold, showing the other tickets. But right now, those any tickets are not relevant to already booked. So new booking and change that booking already booked state and update. Just I have changed the state value of one hotel facility request form, one record, right? So when you click on that already booked, showing one ticket in already booked state. Okay, so why you are going to creating that these all modules quickly accessing the records which required with respect to customer. Okay, and create the one more module, and studio is the best component to creating all modules in a single time. Navigated module and booking closed. hotel request, order number 750. Booking state is booking closed. Then submit. Go to UI. Let me check it out. Booking closed. So right now no tickets are in booking closed state. That's why not displaying any tickets. In case anybody change that like that booking stated to all like booking closed, those all the tickets will be showing in booking closed. And next one, navigate to instant table. And so in the instant table we have one more section, right? Administration section, right? Okay, so this section also same kind of section I want to display in create in my scope application also. How you can create this administration section in your scope application? Very simple. Navigate to studio, then navigation module. What you want to create? Administration hotel facility request, order number 800, and select. So what is the link type? This is mod administration, right? Link type is separator, and then submit. So when you created one more separate section in your same application, when you created one more section in the same application, but it's not displaying to customer. Why? Once you created any new section, at least that section should be contain one module. Okay, otherwise the section will not visible to the customer. How can you create one more module into the section? And we have to follow the next order number. So create application file and navigation module, and create list of records. Table is hotel booking request, and apply the condition. So when booking state is booking cancel, those all the tickets can show in this particular module. Okay, order number 810. Next order number, module name is booking cancel, and application menu is hotel booking, hotel facility request. When you created any new section module, so at least that section should be contain one module, otherwise section will not visible to customer. Update and navigate to UI, reload the browser, and go to hotel facility request all. Okay, see now you're able to see the section, right? And when I click on booking cancel and displaying all the tickets, so what are the tickets are in, what are the requests are in booking cancel state. Guys, are you able to follow me, everyone? Do you have any questions till now? Sharat, Shravan, Srikant, Aditya, Prashanti, Ronali, Arunakumari, anybody?
So why should you pass the order number of the last one is to 810?
So what is the order number of administration? It's 700, right?
Right.
So when you are created one more module, that module needs to be populated under this section. So next number we need to pass it. Next order number. In case if you pass this order number is 600, this model will be showing under booking closed, right? So
Yeah.
order number needs to be passed properly. Okay.
Okay.
And next one, so we have to create one more module. Navigate to incident. It's a like a overview. So when customer click on overview module, it's showing all the reports and details. Same kind of overview module I want to create in my scope application also. How to achieve it? Navigate to Studio, create application file. First, we can create one content portal page. First of all, let me create one portal page. It's overview. Just you can create the overview. Okay, content management created. So then created a report. You'll be able to create the report from Studio. So go to reporting and create new report. Incidents by priority. It's the name of report. Source type should be it's a table, and incidents are coming from which table? Incident table. Next, a report is separate application, guys. When we're working with report application, that moment we can elaborate more into it. Okay, so this moment I'm talking about only modules. How can you configure like a report into the module? So when customer click on that like a overview module, it has to be display the all the reports. And for example, you can select any report. And next, so this report is grouped by priority. And then next, save it and run it. Okay, so now first of all, I created one content portal page. Then I created a report. Then go to create the module. So what is the module name? It's a overview. Module name is same overview. And application menu is hotel facility request. Pass next order number. Actually, the report has to be generated from hotel facility request, right? But unfortunately, given that instant anyway, no problem. Just we have to change the table name. Submit. So overview model has been created 900. Okay. So what is the link type? It's very important. The link type is home page. In home page, we can call all the reports. In home page, what you want to call? which portal page you want to call. So if that name is not remember, no, anyway, no problem. PA group health, something you selected. The report is which are already created. Update and go to UI. So hotel facility request. So click on or you. It's opening the content page. So the PA health group is report directly is added, right. My report is not remember. That's not showing. Okay. In case if you add any other content to your homepage, you can be able to add the content also. So according to your requirement. Just wait. Now this moment I'm going to adding my report. I want to show here. So directly you can be able to add the content like this. We have the group, then other content as well. Okay. So when I click on this ORU module, it is showing all the reports in content page. So this is about how to create different modules into your scope application. So already they have created so many modules into different applications. Similarly, I created my modules into my scope application. You guys, any questions up to now?
You are doing this all activity in a instance of fecility, and it will be replicated to the administrator.
Actually, fecility also administrator. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So fecility also administrator, not end user and ideal user. Okay. See, if you want to check that the user administration table, let me check the fecility is administrator or not. How we come to know the person is administrator or not? So when you assign the role called admin, right? Automatically the person will become an administrator. Yes, this person have admin role. That's why fecility also doing the same thing. See? Okay. Fecility also able to do any kind of activity in instance because fecility also administrator.
Yes, got it.
Okay, guys, any questions up to now? And remaining advanced level validations, so we can do through scripting, client scripts and business rules, UI actions, and script include other scripting areas. But so these all the scriptings are not completed yet. So tomorrow we can start scripting from scratch. So tomorrow topic is JavaScript fundamentals. Okay. So if you're unable to follow that live, so you can go to my recordings, guys. And I am requesting to all please practice well. Practice is most important. Okay. I'm going to end up class today. See you tomorrow, same time. And tomorrow topic is JavaScript fundamentals.